1, 2, 3.
Oh.
What's going on, C friends? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't
forget to subscribe
and click on the bell to get notified every time that we post a new video.
I gotta put my seatbelt on.
Okay, so we are on our way to McDonald's.
So we're on our way to McDonald's to do that challenge, the official 100 nugget challenge. So we have seen many families or many YouTubers do this challenge, and many people haven't been able to accomplish the entire challenge. So we're gonna take it a go, and we are gonna do it. I didn't
get to eat any breakfast today because I'm waiting for this challenge. You ate breakfast.
I eat breakfast, but I can eat a lot.
So we will see if we can accomplish this. So stay tuned to see us.
100 nuggets in 10 minutes or less. All right, stay tuned.
I'm surprised there's no line today.
Yes. Can we order 100 chicken nuggets, please?
How many, please?
100?
100 chicken nuggets?
Yes.
Okay, and barbecue sauce?
Ketchup.
Barbecue sauce, ketchup.
Buffalo.
Do you have buffalo also? We got 100 nuggets.
That's it? $29.61?
Man, it's cheap to go to McDonald's. I'm liking this.
I wanted Chick-fil-A, and he told me.
Hell no, that's too expensive.
Yes, he told me that's too expensive.
We ain't going to Chick-fil-A, we're going to eat McDonald's. It's a challenge, guys. It's 100 nuggets.
What do you guys prefer, Chick-fil-A or McDonald's?
Chick-fil-A.
Make sure that you comment. I mean, I can eat both, but if I have to choose, I'll choose Chick-fil-A. I always do that. Like, I start talking and then
I think she starts talking, and then in the middle of it, she starts daydreaming.
All the time.
Oh, I didn't ask if they have Apple Pay. I don't have my wallet, guys, and Melissa didn't bring her purse, so we have no money on us. By any chance, do you guys take Apple Pay?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, thank you. Woo!
And this is
I'm
a
talking
fast
about
service too.
You guys already had it done? All right, see friends, so we're officially back, and we're about to take this challenge. So 100 nuggets in less than 10 minutes. So comment below to let us know if you know anybody who actually has done this challenge and has succeeded, because we're gonna join that group. So let's do the nuggets first.
30, 40.
Oh my God.
80. $100 nuggets.
She's like all set up. She's got her honey mustard, her buffalo, her barbecue, everything.
It's sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
I'm gonna try it for the first time.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. 100 nuggets.
One.
I'm hungry, so this is pretty good actually.
Tastes good with buffalo barbecue.
Let us know, which is your favorite sauce?
Are you keeping count for yours?
No, but I know I'm gonna eat more than you. Because you're eating half a nugget. I eat the whole nugget. No. Oh my God. How many have I had?
This is my fourth one.
Fourth? Oh man. Ew.
What?
She's putting ketchup in the buffalo sauce.
That's the way to go. Try it and let me know.
Ew. Oh my God. Look, I like to eat fast, but I want to like taste my food, you know?
You never want to taste your food, don't lie.
And now I'm just like trying to swallow it. All right, let's go with the barbecue. Let's go to sweet and sour. Oh, sweet and sour is good. It's good.
8.
Are you really keeping count? Okay. Let's go. Mm.
I don't know.
Hey, we're close to. What are we close to? Maybe 20 total.
This is 9.
It's been 2 minutes. Oh my god.
This is 10.
We're really trying to do this.
Done.
That's my number 10.
This might not be a good idea for after.
Mm. I've done 10 nuggets so far.
Me too. This is 11.
Are you competing with me?
What would I compare with you?
You competing with me? Huh. Oh my god.
12.
She's competing with me. I really like the sweet and sour sauce. It's really good.
This might be my.
This might be our
day.
lunch and dinner all in one. Alright. Let's do buffalo sauce. Oh.
Oh my god, I don't know if this was 12 or 13.
I've done 27.
No, you didn't.
There's nothing like buffalo sauce. I love it.
I think this is 13.
Oh my god.
14. You don't think we can do it?
We can do it. We can do it. What do you think, see friends? We can do it.
15.
Oh my god. Four minutes.
I ate 15 in 4 minutes. I'm trying to make steak.
Wow. I'm gonna go back to the sweet and sour sauce. It's good stuff. I think this challenge can be done with like 4 people. 3 people.
3.
Oh my god.
You already giving up?
I don't give up. I'm gonna eat. All 10 minutes I'm gonna eat.
I think this was 17. I don't even know. You can't eat anymore.
Who?
Stay straight so your food can go down.
You know what? We didn't bring any water.
No, that's better.
We can push it down.
I think that gets you fuller.
What?
Water.
But we can do it. 6 minutes, guys.
6 left, or we've been at it for 6 minutes?
We've been eating for 6 minutes.
Who invented it? This, like, who did it first?
Honestly, I don't know anybody that can do the 100 nuggets in 10 minutes. I really thought because we like to eat, we were able to do this. I don't think we're gonna make it. But I'm gonna eat. And then I'm gonna count how many we had left. And I'm gonna put my record. At least we'll know exactly how many we did.
This is my 20, so I ate 2 boxes by myself.
This is my 35.
No, it's not. Go down. I feel my food like right here. That's not good.
Keep eating. We got it. We can do this. Come on. 20 more nuggets. Come on. You do 20, I do 20. We're good.
This is not. Probably after this, I wouldn't want to see chicken nuggets for like a while.
So good.
Oh my god, don't do that. You wouldn't think this little nugget thingy will fill you up.
Yeah, if it's like 30 of them. Come on, babe. I'm still going. Let's go.
Babe, I can't.
Come on. We got 1 minute left. We suck.
We were so confident though.
I was so confident when
We're like, we're gonna do it.
I was like, look at all these YouTubers. They couldn't do this challenge. They're horrible. We can do this.
Easy peasy. We love to eat.
Yeah.
If you're trying this at home, and if you do it, you better tag us. I want to see.
Oh my god. 30 seconds. At least 6 more.
Let me see.
No, you gotta eat 6 too. It's teamwork.
Do you see the size of my body compared to yours?
You quitting?
Okay, one more. This is not a good idea.
Alright, guys.
It's done. Time's up.
All 10 minutes.
And we failed. We failed, you see, friends. Oh my god.
We really try.
We really need something to drink now. Alright, let's start. Let's see. You gotta fill.
Let's see how many we really did eat in 10 minutes. You gotta put 10 in each box.
3, 4, 9, 10. 9, 10. 20 already. 9, 10.
How many is that? 30?
7, 8, 9, 10, 40.
That's 40.
You said 65.
So 44 left.
Yeah.
56. We ate 56 nuggets in 10 minutes.
That's pretty good though. I never thought we could do that. Maybe. No, I thought we could do 100.
That sucks. I was so confident that we were going to be able to do that.
I know, we're like, let's go, we're going to do it. Anyway.
So we're going to join the list of failures of the 100 nuggets.
We have, in the meantime, we have 4 full boxes and 1 like with 4.
We got 44 left. See, friends, we love you guys. Until the next one.
Bye.